I'm going to show you how to allow NSFW on character AI. So there are multiple ways you can do this. I'm just going to show you two of the methods to do so. So the first one is called out of character technique. So in this method, you need to write down a prompt, and this will help you allow NSFW. So let's get right into the chat. Just go ahead and open any character, and once you're here, just write down this. Start with an open parenthesis and type in OOC, which means out of character. Use a colon and just write this down. So after you've written this down, just send this, and this prompt will help you allow NSFW. Let's go ahead and send this, and as you can see, your character would be acting more suggestive, and you need to engage in more role play to establish an environment that prescribes mature content without directly mentioning it as an adult feature. Also, do not try to guide the situation in a certain direction. Just let the role play happen, and in this way you can successfully allow NSFW content. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.